Welcome to our channel. Have you ever felt completely drained, unmotivated, and emotionally exhausted? Well, you're not alone. Burnout syndrome is more common than you might think, affecting individuals in various professions and stages of their careers. Burnout syndrome. Signs of heading for disaster and recovery methods. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. From demanding work schedules to personal responsibilities, the pressures can quickly pile up, leading to mental, emotional, and physical exhaustion, known as burnout syndrome. This condition can profoundly impact individuals, affecting their overall well-being and quality of life. Burnout syndrome is characterized by feelings of overwhelming stress, cynicism, and a sense of detachment from work or other once enjoyable activities. It can manifest in many ways, such as chronic fatigue, irritability, insomnia, and a lack of motivation. Burnout can lead to severe consequences, including decreased productivity, strained relationships, and even physical health issues. Recognizing the signs of burnout early on is crucial in preventing further deterioration. By paying attention to warning signals like persistent fatigue, decreased performance, and feelings of hopelessness, individuals can take proactive steps to address the underlying causes of their burnout. This may involve setting boundaries, seeking support from loved ones or professionals, and making lifestyle changes to prioritize self-care and mental health. Learning to recover from burnout is equally vital in restoring balance and well-being. Recovery methods can vary depending on the individual's needs and circumstances, but common strategies include practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques, engaging in physical exercise, and seeking therapy or counseling. By addressing the root causes of burnout and implementing healthy coping mechanisms, individuals can gradually regain their energy, enthusiasm, and sense of purpose. In conclusion, burnout syndrome is a severe condition that can affect individuals' lives. It's essential to prioritize self-care, seek support when needed, and make positive changes to create a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Stay tuned to learn more about practical tips and strategies for managing burnout and reclaiming vitality. Signs of burnout. 5 key indicators you're heading towards burnout. Burnout doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that can sneak up on you when you least expect it. By being aware of the warning signs, you can take proactive steps to prevent burnout before it takes a toll on your well-being. Here are 5 key indicators that suggest you may be heading towards burnout. Physical exhaustion. One of the most common signs of burnout is persistent physical exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. You may feel drained, even after a whole night's sleep. Physical symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, and digestive issues can also be indicators of burnout. Scenario. As a marketing manager, Sarah has worked long hours to meet tight deadlines. Despite getting enough sleep, she wakes up tired and achy every morning. She struggles to concentrate at work and often experiences headaches and stomach pains. Emotional drain. Burnout can damage emotional well-being, leading to irritability, frustration, and mood swings. You may become cynical, pessimistic, and emotionally detached from your work or relationships. Emotional exhaustion can manifest as numbness or emptiness. Scenario. John, a teacher, used to be passionate about his job but now feels emotionally drained and disengaged. He snaps at students and colleagues, and his once positive attitude has turned into apathy and indifference. Decreased performance. As burnout progresses, you may notice a decline in your performance and productivity. Tasks that used to be manageable may now seem overwhelming, leading to procrastination, errors, and missed deadlines. You may need help to focus, make decisions, and stay organized. Scenario. Lisa, a graphic designer, used to excel at creating innovative designs for her clients. Lately, she has needed help meeting project deadlines and producing quality work. Her creativity has waned, and she finds herself making careless mistakes. Withdrawal and isolation. Burnout can lead to social withdrawal and isolation, as you may feel overwhelmed by interactions with others. You may start avoiding social gatherings, distancing yourself from friends and family, and preferring to be alone, which can further exacerbate feelings of loneliness and disconnection. Scenario. Mike, a sales executive, enjoyed networking events and team meetings. Lately, he's been declining invitations to socialize and spending more time alone. He feels emotionally drained by colleagues' interactions and prefers to keep to himself. Neglecting self-care. When heading towards burnout, self-care often takes a back seat as you prioritize work or other responsibilities. You may neglect your physical health by skipping meals, foregoing exercise, or relying on unhealthy coping mechanisms like excessive caffeine or alcohol. Mental health needs, such as relaxation and stress management, may also be overlooked. Scenario. Emma, a nurse, has been working long shifts at the hospital without taking breaks to eat or rest. She relies on sugary snacks and caffeine to keep her going, and struggles to find time for self-care activities like meditation or exercise. It's essential to self-reflect and recognize these signs in your own life to prevent burnout from escalating. If you identify with any of these indicators, it's crucial to take action to prioritize your well-being and seek support when needed. Remember, burnout is not a sign of weakness, but a signal that it's time to reassess your priorities and make positive changes for a healthier, more balanced life. Stay tuned for practical tips on combating burnout and reclaiming vitality. Impact of burnout: the devastating effects on mental health, productivity, and well-being. Burnout is more than just feeling tired or stressed. It's a severe condition that can profoundly affect individuals' mental health, productivity, and overall well-being. Prolonged exposure to burnout can lead to a downward spiral of adverse outcomes, affecting every aspect of a person's life. Let's delve into the detrimental effects of burnout and why it's crucial to address this issue promptly. Statistics and studies paint a stark picture of the consequences of prolonged burnout. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, burnout is now recognized as an occupational phenomenon, with research indicating that it can lead to increased rates of depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders. A study published in the Journal of Occupational Health Psychology found that burnout is associated with a higher risk of cardiovascular disease, musculoskeletal disorders, and even premature death. Personal stories and testimonials further highlight the real-life impact of burnout on individuals. Take Sarah, a dedicated nurse who worked long hours caring for patients during the pandemic. Despite her passion for helping others, the relentless demands of her job eventually took a toll on her mental health. Sarah experienced symptoms of burnout, including emotional exhaustion, cynicism, and a sense of inefficacy. She struggled to find joy in her work and felt overwhelmed by the constant stress and pressure. The effects of burnout extended beyond Sarah's professional life and seeped into her relationships. She withdrew from friends and family, unable to muster the energy to engage in social activities or hobbies she once enjoyed. Sarah's physical health also suffered as she neglected self-care practices and relied on unhealthy coping mechanisms to cope with her emotional distress. Burnout must be addressed urgently. Ignoring the warning signs and allowing burnout to fester can lead to a downward spiral of deteriorating mental health, decreased productivity, and diminished overall well-being. Individuals must prioritize self-care, seek support from loved ones or mental health professionals, and make necessary changes to prevent further harm. By recognizing the devastating effects of burnout and taking proactive steps to address this issue, individuals can reclaim their vitality and restore balance to their lives. Stay tuned for practical strategies and tips on combating burnout and fostering a healthier, more sustainable approach to work and well-being. Recovery strategies, effective methods for overcoming burnout and restoring balance. Recovering from burnout is a journey that requires patience, self-awareness, and a commitment to prioritizing your well-being. Let's explore practical strategies for recovering from burnout and restoring balance to your life. Incorporate self-care practices into your daily routine, such as mindfulness meditation, exercise, adequate sleep, healthy eating, and relaxation techniques. Seeking professional help. Don't hesitate to seek support from mental health professionals, such as therapists, counselors, or psychologists. If you're struggling to cope with burnout, therapy can provide a safe space to explore your feelings, develop coping strategies, and gain valuable insights into the underlying causes of your burnout. A mental health professional can offer guidance and support as you navigate recovery. Take Mark, a software engineer who experienced burnout due to long hours and high-pressure deadlines at work. Recognizing the signs of burnout, Mark took proactive steps to address the root causes of his stress and exhaustion. Through self-care practices, therapy sessions, and boundary-setting techniques, Mark gradually regained his passion for his work and improved his overall well-being. By prioritizing his mental health and positively changing his lifestyle, Mark overcame burnout and created a healthier, more sustainable approach to work and life. It's important to remember that recovery from burnout is a gradual process that requires dedication and perseverance. Remember, you deserve to thrive, not just survive. Stay tuned for more tips on combating burnout and fostering a balanced, fulfilling life. From physical exhaustion and emotional drain to decreased performance and withdrawal, the signs of burnout serve as warning signals that should not be ignored. By paying attention to these indicators and addressing the underlying causes of burnout, individuals can prevent the condition from escalating and causing more significant harm. Viewers need to prioritize self-care and seek support when needed. Remember, taking care of your mental, emotional, and physical well-being is not a luxury, but a necessity for a balanced and fulfilling life. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others to spread awareness about recognizing and addressing burnout. In the comments below, please share your experiences with burnout. Let's start a conversation and support each other in overcoming this challenge. Take care of yourself, and remember, asking for help is okay. Together, we can create a community that prioritizes mental health, self-care, and well-being. Thank you for watching, and remember that your well-being matters.